Hello and welcome to the channel. Join me on this unboxing and let's mount this Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan together. Let's go! Well, first the instruction, the quick guide. Okay, we cut the quick guide. Nice. Let's review the materials. Let me see if you can see it. The ceiling bracket, this canopy, cover, of course the body, and the blades. Alright, the manual, very important. Yeah, nice. Let's go. First, those are the blades. We choose this color. There are three different colors to choose. Okay, this is the nice one. Well, the small parts. This is an adapter, you know, from the ceiling. All right. If you want a large, or this one is the small one. Actually, we are going to use this, the small one. All right. We need to mount this piece and put it here on this one. Okay, let's go. More things. Okay, the screws, the remote control, of course, with the holder. Nice. Let me remove this. Oh, silica gel. Nice. I'm going to keep it. Yep. Ooh, look at this. This is the body. Yeah. Well, this piece we are going to mount it. Okay. Oh, this is very important piece. Let me show you. Very important. This is the one to connect your current lamp on the ceiling, on this one, this part, and negative and positive, or neutral or line, if you prefer. This is the one to connect here with this one. Okay, we are going to do that later. Oh. Actually, this is the lamp. This part, let me show you. This is the lamp. Okay, LED, nice, is pretty good looking. And put it over there. And this is the main engine that, well, it's around 6 kilos. Here you put the blades here. Okay, attach it, and this one connect to the lamp, this one, and this one to the ceiling that we saw before. And look at this. It's pretty nice. All right, this is a quick recap of the all the pieces that came with the Smart Ceiling Fan. Those are the important pieces, and of course the blades. Let's start with this piece that is very important. In my case, I want to reduce the distance from the ceiling to the Smart Ceiling Fan. This is very important. Okay, let me try with this. No, okay. This is important. Look at this. Do you see the holes here? It's like this. Okay, to match, because it's very important to know that this is one of the screw and the other one. So we remove it. The idea is to put this piece here. Okay, one out and the other goes out, but this is an important component over here. This. Okay, fell down. Okay, look, this goes here, but we need this. Okay, the system works like this. Let me show you. The system works like this. This piece fit on here like this. Okay, so we need to put this other piece here like this. Okay, first we put this, and second this one, but pay attention, this is very important. Do you see this? Fit here. When we hang the ceiling fan, well, I know it's complicated, but because this piece is attached to the ceiling, you know, like this, and there all the rest of the pieces that, well, 6 kilos plus the blades attached, you need to hang that and match this part of the piece, this small one, and I don't know if you see it, this one, with this one, like this. Okay, let me try to show you, like this. Okay, and that is the way to secure that. But in the meantime, let's do this first. Okay, let me is like this. Let me find the hole. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. This is the one. Now this goes here like this, and just rotate it until, do you see, until he fit. Let's look for the, do you see the hole here? Okay, we have this one. There are 2 screws. The little one goes here. There is no hole, but it's just to secure the plastic piece. Okay, like this, so the piece doesn't move. And finally we attach this other one that goes to the hole. Okay, and now we take this one, this screw, pay attention, goes here with the parts that have the hole over here, and let me secure. Okay, very important. Perfect, secure. And this one, as you can see, there is no hole because it's just to retain the plastic piece against the metal piece, the tube, this tube, like this. All right, perfect. Okay, and this piece is attached to the another one that we are going to see later. Okay, all right, let me show you how this works. This piece is need to be attached here. Okay, this part, of course this is the cover from here, but as you can see, as easy to, you know, but you need to put this inside. Okay, this is the cover, and we need to put this around here, but surprise, surprise, we have this piece. All right, but there is a trick, and actually it's a thing that we need to do it because we need to unleash those wires. Okay, so basically this goes over here. Okay, from here, as you can see. Who want to go first? You? Well, this is for the earth. Okay, the ground. This is for the ground connection, and this is the rest of the thing that we need. As you can see, it's quite easier, very easy to do it. Now, problem solved, except for this this piece over here that sometimes could be a little bit tricky. You know, this small metal piece that holds this one inside. Okay, and the idea is to remove it, but sometimes costs yeah, to remove it. Well, remove it, put this piece and reattach it. Okay, piece remove it, I just pull using this tool. You can use any tool that you want. Let's remove this one over here, very important. Put it apart, and of course we need to just those small screw. You don't need to take it out at all. Okay, just a little bit because it goes here, and secure this piece. All right, let's go. Hold align with the other hole. Okay, remember this piece have another hole, okay, for the small metal piece. So let's go. Okay, the piece is in place. This is funny, it's like assemble a big Lego. Okay, let me secure this one. Wait. Okay, here, this is one, and this is the next. Make sure that, okay, the final piece, this that goes to this hole. It's complicated to see it because it's so small, okay, but is this one? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I know it's complicated, but this piece fits over here. Okay, let me use this tool to push a little bit. All right, the metal piece is already secure. So the idea is that, you see, cover here, nice, and hand from here. It's going to hand from this other piece, okay, like this. Remember, let me show you. And do you see? We need to secure this piece to the ceiling, okay, with the driller, and finally it's going to hand like this. That is the end of the part number 1, because the part number 2 is to install the blaze. Yeah, install the blaze here. The blaze goes here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. After removing the plastic, as you can see, the blades are very good protected, separated from each other. Okay, like this. This is very nice. I'm going to put this blade over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 blades. Okay, good. Okay, we are going to need those screws, these other pieces. Look at this. This is a balancing kit. Okay, there is something that you are going to need if, for example, you installed the blades. Okay, and you notice that the blades are, doing something like this that is very, very bad. For that, they include this balancing kit, but we are not going to need it. Bye. So I'm going to show you how to install one, and the rest I'm going to do it off the camera. Okay, like this. Let's prepare everything. Now, this is the most important part. Pay attention. You see this part, and the other one that have this white color, but how you need to install it. Well, just remember one thing. This piece, big one, is going to hang from the ceiling like this. So, no, like this. We need to attach it like this. Okay, and pay attention. We have this that align with this and this. All right, so let's do it. Okay, let me secure one screw here manually, this other one here, and the last one over here. Okay, perfect. Well, you need enough space in your room or wherever you're going to install this, because the whole thing is going to be bigger. Imagine, look at the size of this thing. So remember, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is just the number 1. All right, looks like that from above. Okay, we almost finished. By the way, spare parts, the screw. There are 2 screws for the spare parts. Okay, this is the most important thing. This is from the view from above. Let me turn around. Let me hold this. As you can see, this is the part that you are going to see when it's already installed. Okay, but now only 2 pieces. Okay, we need to put the lamp, to connect the lamp here. Well, pay attention of these screws over here. The other part is this one, the Dreo part. Okay, let's do it. Now we need to attach the LED lamp to the rest of the body of the ceiling fan. But before, do you want to see a magic trick? Do you remember this? The quick start guide. Okay, it's broken, right? Okay, wait a second. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you see it? Perfect, like new. Yeah. But first, do you remember this part? Yes, the beautiful Dreo cover. Well, works like this. Okay, we put the wires over here, but oh, surprise. Okay, don't worry, because I didn't attach this part just in order to show you how to mount the entire system, because it's an easier way to work like this, okay, instead of having this piece over here. But it's time to attach this piece in the right way. So I need to remove this, okay, and put it over here in the right way. So let me do it. Okay, done. Now the circle is complete. Okay, this goes. Remember, the whole idea is to have this other piece like this and cover the rest of the wires here, and of course attach this. But we need to attach this other piece when this is attached to the ceiling. For do that, we need to drill the holes on the ceiling. And now let's do this, okay, in order to arrange those wires. All right, cool. It's a little bit complicated while I'm filming, but it is what it is. So we need to attach this. This is going to be a little bit complicated. I need to attach this piece here. Okay, yeah, attach it. And now just to rotate until secure. Now the moment of the true drilling time. By the way, let me tell you that this is an awesome piece of hardware because it's noiseless, all right, and works or integrate with Alexa and the Google Assistant. It's pretty amazing. The light is super powerful, it's super bright. You are going to see it later after the installation. Now the installation already finished and working. Yeah! Let me use the remote control. Oh yeah, as you can see. Okay, now the fan test and start. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so refreshing. Nice. Now it's working in 4, the speed 4. Do you hear something? Now it's in 3, 2, nothing. Almost nothing. Just 1. This is awesome. It's perfect. Yeah. Pretty cool. Well, installation finished. I'm going to enjoy the refreshing air from the Dreo Smart Ceiling. Thanks for watching until the end, and remember, see you on the next video.
Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling.